Many of you might have heard about cryptocurrencies and you might be doubting what's going on. We saw the other time El Salvador, which is a country in Latin America, that are actually accepting Bitcoin as an official means of payment. And we have in Africa countries like the Central African Republic that are also accepting Bitcoin as an official currency so far. So in this video series, we shall be teaching you about cryptocurrencies, especially the introduction, all right, what cryptocurrencies are. Of course, what is it? Cryptocurrencies are actually digital or virtual currencies secured by cryptography using a technology known as blockchain. Now, let's break it down, guys. What is crypto? When we talk of crypto, it is actually the discipline of solving codes using or known as cryptography. Okay, so the blockchain is actually a ledger that records all transactions across several computers that are linked together in that network. All of this are happening in our computer network. All right, thank you.